Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found us. I hope you like what you see here today, and I hope you stick around for the future. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. This channel is beyond anything I could have ever imagined, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. All right, so as you guys saw in my series shortcuts video, I did get an update notification for Nico. Nico is my Tesla Model 3 Performance. That is the name I gave to it when I got the car. Nico, Nikolai Tesla. I told you I'm not very creative. I thought I would just document the new software update process. Back a couple videos, I made a video called Tesla is finally getting things right with 2019.12.1.2. I think that video was kind of misinterpreted, and it's definitely my fault. I gave it kind of a misleading title, but overall what I was trying to say is they did a lot better with the software update process, as well as allowing you to reset the TPMS. This new software update process is definitely more along the lines of what you'd see on an Android phone or an Apple phone, where you can look and see if there is an update available for your car. We're just going to document that process from point of view here and show you, hopefully, all of the features that come through on the vehicle. I have my fingers crossed that it's Smart Summon. It probably isn't. It's probably just some more bug fixes. The pin to drive thing pops around the screen in different locations.
Far left.
Middle right here is on the left, back to the right. The backup camera still glitches out and is black when you turn it on. It takes a while for the video feed to get to the screen. I have not had the screen shut off while driving yet though, which is really a really good improvement. That was kind of annoying and not very safe. Let's get this documented and see what new software update we have for the Tesla Model 3 Performance. Right, so I can't remember if I mentioned it or not, but my Tesla is currently on 2019.12.1.2. I still did get the banner on my phone and it still looks the same here. Let's look at it through this new software tab. So this is a new feature of 2019.12.1.2 that you can scan and look at a kind of a more detailed overview of software. And if any software updates are available for your vehicle, you can install them here. So as I said, I got a notification that there is one available. And when you do have one available, this is how it looks. Previous to this bottom section was gone, and it was just V9 2019.12.1.2 and the release notes and the navigation data there. But this new box has popped up now that I do have a software update. So let's get that started. We're just going to hit the software update button. This looks more like how it looks on the Model S and the Model X. You can actually set when you want the update to install. What I'm going to do here is install it now. It says it's only going to take 25 minutes. So we're going to ignore all this, but it is really cool that you are able to set when you want it to install. I'm impatient, so I want to get this thing installed now. So we're just going to do that, but you can set it when you want it to go, which is a really nice, fresh update for the Model 3 UI. Doesn't matter, we're going to install it right now. So let's get that on. Once you do start it, you do get the countdown here. I did hear this from somebody else that you can tap the countdown multiple times to start it now. Maybe that was a lie. Oh yeah, it did go down to 1 second and starting update. Cool. I'm not going to show you this. I have to wait, but it's going to be basically instantaneous for you guys. So it will be updated in 3, 2, 1, now. All right, we just got notification that the software update is completed. We just got back in the vehicle here and we got the what's new in this update pop up here. It was updated to 2019.16.2, 73D, 3F, 3C. Navigation data is NA 2019.6-10236. Your car software is up to date. So let's talk a little bit about what's in here and then maybe we'll demo some of it if we can. So the first thing is this driving visualization. I've been hearing a lot about this. Basically, when you are on city roads, the visualization of your vehicle will be bigger and then it'll kind of zoom in and out depending on where you are and how much traffic is around you. Automatically zoom in and out to better utilize screen space and inform you when a vehicle is detected. Remain zoomed out when driving on highways. So I've heard that this will also now show your brake lights better, as well as display your turn signals when those are on. So that will be really cool. All right, so watch this cool shit. So as we put the car in drive, the car does this visualization does this really cool shift. Oh, that is awesome. You can definitely see the back of the vehicle so much better here. Let's try the blinkers. So we're going to turn on the right blinker, and you can see it in the visualization. That is so cool. Turn off the right blinker, now the left blinker. This is so much better. Let's do a little bit of driving around the neighborhood here. Also shows the lights are on in the front here. Look at that van doing that dance. That's pretty funny. Off we go. Look at that. It's like showing the car shifting angles and everything. There's some deer. All right, so as we turn right here, it shows the car turning right. So cool, so cool. All right, let's press the brakes. Look at that. All right, and blinker. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is turning on. And left blinker also turning on. This is so great. Good job, Tesla. I am very, very proud of you. Sentry Mode improvements. It's now easier to enable Sentry or disable Sentry Mode by tapping the Sentry Mode icon at the top of your touchscreen when your car is in park. So yeah, as we can see right up here next to my name, we do have the new Sentry Mode icon, which is killer. Your car can also default Sentry Mode to always be enabled when you are parked by controls, safety, and security. So I think you can also set this by geolocation. You can say when I'm parked here, I always want it on, which is really, really cool. So now we're going to look at safety and security. I think that's where it was. So yeah, in Sentry Mode as well, we have Sentry Mode on. So whenever the car is put in a park, it'll turn on. You can also exclude home, you can exclude work, and you can exclude favorites. I'm just going to exclude home. Work, as you guys saw in one of my other videos, was kind of sketchy that one time. Somebody parked super, super close. Lane departure avoidance, designed to warn you or assist you with corrective steering if your vehicle unintentionally starts to drift out of the driving lane without a turn signal engaged. Touch controls, autopilot, lane departure avoidance, and select from the following options. So you can do assist, warning, or off. Emergency lane departure avoidance, so I think this will just absolutely take over. Steer your vehicle back into the driving lane if a potential collision is detected. So yeah, it's just going to automatically intervene when it detects you leaving the lane. So autopilot, I don't remember exactly where this was. Okay, lane departure avoidance, off, warning, assist. So we're going to do assist, so it can assist if I'm drifting out of the lane. And then also emergency lane departure avoidance. I will allow it to intervene. Okay, we're going to see if we can get the lane departure avoidance and emergency lane departure avoidance to work here. Okay, so this is a grooved middle area here, but let's see what happens. Okay. Look at that. How great is that? This car behind me is probably like, what the fuck is this guy doing? All right, one more try. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. See if it knows on a less marked road here. Definitely not at all. Okay, it did. Take control immediately, vehicle departing lane is what it says. Barely marked, so that's really cool that it noticed. Let's try again. Wow. Again. Wow. Alright, so it did just let go that time. Let's try going right. Wow. Again. Really, really cool. Alright. Software update preference. You now have the option to receive new software updates as soon as they become available for your car configuration and region. That is awesome. So tap controls, software update preference, advanced. I'm going to do that, obviously. And then Swedish language support. Swedish is really cool, but doesn't really concern us that much. But so let's take a look at some of these. Let's go there, and software update preference shows up right in the software tab. So if we hit the information on that, Nico will regularly receive over-the-air software updates that add new features. Select advanced if you like Nico to receive new software updates as soon as they become available for its configuration. Note, the latest software update version will vary based on vehicle configurations, including hardware and geography. So Yes, we're going to turn that on to advanced because I want that as soon as possible. One thing I do want to say is that even though it's kind of annoying you don't know what software you're getting, it's also kind of exciting because you know, it's like this surprise every time you get in the vehicle, like, oh, what did I get? I kind of enjoy it. You might not, but I actually do. So there is the software update preference. So we've got all of that turned on. Yeah, no smart summon, unfortunately, is the nature of what this is. But yeah, no smart summon. As I said, a man can dream, but we still did not get that, unfortunately. All right, so I think that's basically everything that we need to demonstrate. Let's go back to flipping the camera around and we'll close this video out. I'll see you guys shortly. So there we have it. That's the new software update process, and we are now on 2019.16.2. Some really, really cool features. I think Tesla absolutely nailed it with this update. They did some really, really cool stuff. The new driving visualization is amazing. The new Sentry Mode button is awesome. And I'm sure the new safety features are phenomenal as well. I hope I never have to test them, but if they do ever come into play, I'll let you guys know how they work. Also, the advanced software preferences to say, I want these updates the second that they come through is really, really cool. Not much else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. We're doing so well. I think we're up to like 626 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your support. It does truly mean the world to me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had a great time, and I look forward to seeing you next video.